chair. Chair. Chair means kursi. table. Table. Table means table. bed. Bed means ochan. book. Book. Book means kitab. rock. Rock means chattan. water bottle. Water bottle means pani khane bottle. newspaper. Newspaper means patrika. pencile. Pencil. Pencil means shisha kalam. pen. Pen means column. watch. Watch means घड़ी. clock. Clock means भित्ते घड़ी. clothes. Clothes means लुगा कपडा. toys. Toys means खिलौना. glass. Glass means glass. mobile. यानी mobile phone. Mobile phone means mobile phone. photos. Photos means tasveer. sofa. Sofa means sofa. charger. Charger means charger. यानी magazine. Magazine means patrika. eraser. Eraser means eraser.